Hello everyone, welcome to your one YouTube channel Electronics Hobbyist. In today's video, we will learn about the Arduino analogWrite function. In the last two videos, we discussed the digitalWrite function, digital read function, pin mode function. If you haven't watched those videos yet, you can find the link in description section to catch up. By using the digitalWrite function, we can turn the output on or off, where the high state provide 5 volt and low state provide 0 volt. However, when we require a voltage other than 5, such as 2 volt or 3 volt, we use the analogWrite function. By using the analogWrite function, we can control the speed of a motor or adjust the brightness of an LED. To understand the analogWrite function better, let's control the brightness of an LED. So let's open the Arduino IDE and write our code. The syntax for the analogWrite function is analogWrite, where W is in capital letter. Inside the parenthesis, we need to specify the pin number and the value. The value should range from 0 to 255. We have specified a value of 255. Currently our LED is glowing at full density and the voltage is 3.29. Now let's change this value. For example, let's input a value of 100 and see what output voltage we get. When we changed the value from 255 to 100, we can observe that brightness of LED has decreased compared to before and the voltage is now 1.31 volt. I have written some different code here which will automatically increase or decrease the brightness of our LED, and we will print the analog value and LED brightness percentage on serial monitor. So let's upload this code and see the result. Now we can see the analog value and LED brightness on serial monitor. So I hope you like this video. Please don't forget to like and share and subscribe to the channel to learn Arduino programming.